Webinars are one of the best ways to sell your online course without feeling pushy. They let you build trust, provide value, and naturally lead into your course offer. In this video, I'll show you how to structure a high-converting webinar that turns attendees into students. Step 1, pick the right webinar topic. Your webinar should solve a small problem while leading into your course as the next step. Great webinar topics. 3 biggest mistakes business owners make and how to fix them. Step-by-step plan to keep a clean house. How I went from tired to energized and how you can too. The goal is to give valuable insights while leaving them wanting more, which your course provides. Step 2, follow the perfect webinar structure. A great webinar keeps people engaged from start to finish. Start with a welcome and hook for the first 5 minutes. Introduce yourself and promise a big takeaway. Then a value-packed training about 20 to 25 minutes long. Teach 3 to 5 key takeaways they can apply. After that, present your course offer. This should be 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure to transition smoothly into your course pitch. Then you can wrap it up with a Q&A and close. Usually these are 10 to 15 minutes. Answer objections and guide them to take action. This flow keeps people engaged while naturally leading into your offer. Step 3, sell without feeling salesy. The best way to present your course naturally is to position it as the next logical step. Try this transition. Now that you've learned quick strategy, imagine having a complete roadmap to big transformation. That's exactly what my course helps you do. Then share what's inside the course, who it's for, and how it helps. Any bonuses or limited time offers? Your course is the shortcut to getting them faster results. Step 4, create urgency and handle objections. People hesitate before buying, so help them decide now. Ways to create urgency. Limited time bonuses, extra coaching, VIP calls, exclusive templates, fast action discounts only available for 24-48 hours. Spots are limited if you offer coaching, live calls, or a private community. Handle objections by answering common questions up front like, what if I don't have time? You get lifetime access. Will this work for me? Here's a student success story. Step 5, automate and repurpose your webinar. A live webinar is great, but you can turn it evergreen to sell your course on autopilot. Ways to repurpose. Upload it as an evergreen webinar, Kajabi, Webinar Jam, or EverWebinar. Turn it into a free lead magnet to grow your list. Use webinar clips as social media content to drive more traffic. This way, your webinar works for you even when you're not live. Start selling your course with webinars today. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you ever run a webinar? If not, what's stopping you? And if you need help structuring your course, grab my free course topic and naming guide at the link below. If you're ready to set up an automated or live webinar funnel, get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi to host and sell your course with ease. Pro tip, pre-sell your course in Kajabi during the first 30 days to cover your subscription cost. Now, go launch your webinar and start selling your course effortlessly.